Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Infinity Nikki Mobile not working. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So, there are going to be a few things you can do here to probably solve this issue. So, the first thing you can do here is to basically make sure to have the latest update installed in your mobile device. So, go ahead and open Google Play Store here, and from here, you want to search for Infinity Nikki. And in this case, go ahead and open it up. Now, if you do see the update button, go ahead and click on it, and just wait for the update to complete. Now, once the update is complete, go ahead and play the game, or stop playing the game, and from then on, you can go ahead and see if that solves the issue. Now, that doesn't solve your issue. The next thing that you do here is you want to check the permissions for Infinity Nikki here. Look for Infinity Nikki, press and hold on it, and from here, you want to click on the eye icon. Now, in the eye icon here, you want to go to App Permissions. And from here, what we need to do is you need to make sure to allow all necessary permissions here. So, for example, you allow notifications, photos, and videos here. So in this case, just allow every permissions that you can see here. But once you've allowed that, go ahead and close the Settings or App Info section here. Open it up and see if that solves the issue. Now, another thing you can do here as well is to basically clear your cache. So again, press and hold on the Infinity Nikki, open up the eye or click on the eye icon. Here, go to the storage section. Now click on Clear Cache at the bottom right of your screen. Now, once you've done that, go ahead and restart your mobile device and see if that solves the issue. So that's basically how you can fix Infinity Nikki Mobile not working. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.